Surwan. Now we have the ground staff who managed every detail of this program. Ladies and gentlemen, creating the music and the ambience. Let's hear it for the music team. Joining them is the water ballet team, Vikas Bhaiya and Arjinder Bhaiya. We hear it for them. In the pool, you saw the magic. And with a lot of flickering, the theatre composer and the lights presenting Saurabh Shukla. And now let's hear it for all the creatives who have given us the Surwan and created it. Shilpa Didi, Mridul Bhaiya, Rahul Bhaiya, Bharti Didi, thank you so much for the infra. Please join us. Mr. Bharti Didi. तो इसमें जो भी भूल चुक हुई है वो मेरी गलती है। बाकी ये टीम बहुत मेहनती है, इन्होंने बहुत दिन रात लग के काम किया है। ये शो स्वाति दीदी आई है। ये स्वाति दीदी और अंकित भैया ने बड़ी मुश्किल से बहुत सारा म्यूजिक बुना आप लोगों के लिए। ये ठीक नहीं होगा अगर हम स्वाति दीदी का मन ना रखें, और वो क्या चाहती है वो खुद ही बताएंगे।
Absolutely, thanks a lot, Didi. Thank you so much for a big round of applause. And I would request everyone to join us for this beautiful grand finale song. It'll be great if we all sing together, all of us. So there we go. Jungle, घर हमारा, सुरवन है ये सारा, रहते मगर हारा, सुरवन है ये सारा, रहते मिलकर हम सब, जंगल ये हमारा, मिलकर हम सब, जंगल ये हमारा, जंगल ये हमारा, जंगल ये हमारा। Thank you so much.
अगर कुछ 4 से 5 महीने लगे हैं हमें इसको सजाने में, तो आप लोगों से 4 से 5 मिनट हम मांग भी सकते हैं। अब आपको थोड़ी ग्रामर सुननी पड़ेगी। कल मैंने ये नहीं किया था, लिख के नहीं लाई थी, बट लगा घर जाके कि काफ़ी कुछ छूट गया। सो नॉट टू मिस, आई हैव रिटन सम पॉइंटर्स, bear with me, thank you. So at the cost of being repetitive, we all are here on this planet to tell a story. You just saw a story, and there is a story behind the story, which I have to share with you all. If I don't, then it's very incomplete. सबसे पहली बात तो ये आपने जो जंगल देखा है, आपको समझ में आ गया है कि ये कितना सारा काम था। Just to let you know, it is just not about decorating the Surwan. We have to get the entire audit down to build up the cooling system and to create some magical spots so that Surwan can look the way Surwan should be. At 50 degrees, when we were running towards the mountains in the month of June, infra without any fan, without anything, was creating this for you. Hear it for infra. Infra to the bow. So Bharti Didi, thank you so much for that. Thank you. To create voiceover artists, to know what needs to be done, to create the ambience, we had to have a solid backbone, and which is music, and we created every bit of it. We have a great team, and we thank Ankit Bhaiya because he just not trained students to put in their voice, their modulations and their music, but he managed to create the entire magic of 1 hour 20 minutes. Hear it for them. In the process, in the journey of Surman, we had many ups and there were massive downs also. But Prakriti came as an extended family, and this moment I'm taking to thank Prakriti. A quick mention, I could do Surman, I mean I have to take this. I could do this also because of my family's support, which is right there. Thank you. They were also the music suppliers to us. And two of my very good friends who took care of me while everybody was doing their job, and I had to take care of the event. So thank you. Please hear it for them. Thank you. I can't see the other one. The entire creation was dependent on the facilitators that you see. They had to manage the academics. So clearly, like you saw in the film, and we have the filmmaking team also. Somebody is doing a live relay, and hear it for Robin Bhaiya, who created that film to give us a story of the back end, the backstage. Brochure photography, Priyanka Didi. Coming back to the facilitator, and Subhash Bhaiya also. Where is Subhash Bhaiya? Rohit is right at the end. You can all wave at him. Thank you, Rohit. Coming back to the facilitators, today what you saw was production for some, but for us it was not a production. It was a huge learning because every bit of it was linked to curriculum and learning. For those who would understand now that there are many details, and let's hear it for the children also because they kept the secret. They did not go back and tell you. Now here is the magic. Some of us at our end, I am also a parent, I thought ki itna detailing mein kya ho raha hai? But then I realized the teachers are working from the academic perspective to create. The children, for example, said, monkey ke to different colors hote hain. तो ये पैच भी तो दिखना चाहिए, ये कान भी तो दिखना. For us, we thought कहीं overboard तो नहीं हो रहा. But then they were doing the link to the curriculum and the academics. Hear it for the facilitators. A huge shout out for the Bridge team. They were really supportive. They were really. And there's a reason to it. When you saw the finale, it was absolutely prompted by the Bridge team, Nancy Didi. We thank the kitchen, जिनकी support की वजह से हम ठीक रहे. I hope I have not missed out anyone. Everyone's here? Okay. So thank you so much. इन सब ने बहुत मेहनत की. इनका काम आपने दिखा. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो भी गलती थी वो सिर्फ मेरी गलती है. I give it to Bharti Bhai. दीदी ऐसा कह रही है कि जो भी गलतियाँ उनकी है. I think we all take that responsibility in ourselves, and I hope all of you go back delighted with the presentations that were put up together. And from my heart, deep bows to the super creative team that we have here for all these exemplary things. Thank you so much. Thank you.
was unbelievable for all of us. So thank you so much once again. And I'll give you a perspective that all children of the school remained supportive, and their exams are going on in the last 2 weeks. They remained unaffected, and everybody accommodated so well. Thanks to all of the children in the school. Thank you.
इस जंगल की कहानी बुनते बुनते हम इस जंगल में कितना अंदर चले गए, ये हमें आज महसूस हो रहा है, ये हमें आज पता चल रहा है कि एक के ऊपर एक परत बनाते 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 कितना कुछ सीख गए, और ये पता चला कि ह्यूमन पोटेंशियल अनलिमिटेड है, अनलिमिटेड. बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, बिलीव इन योर टीम, बिलीव इन योर चिल्ड्रन. We are all programmed to rise to the occasion and to rise to our fullest potential every year, every moment, every day. I think that is the biggest learning for all of us. I really want to make a mention of two teams here. One is the admin team and the ground support team. They are the recipients of every panic call from me when I realize inside me, with a state of super panic and anxiety, that we've forgotten something and we've missed something. They are the ultimate problem solvers of this entire school. You come up with a problem, they will have a solution. On-ground team and admin team. And I think one of the things that delighted all of us today was the rain shower. The rain shower was a super headache, and when Didi decided, Sushmita Didi suggested that we have to have experience. We can't just talk about and dance about the rain, right? We have to experience the rain. It was a fabulous idea. It was just something that once you've got that idea, you can't give it up. But how to go about doing it? So, massive headache, number of days gone in figuring out how to put it together. And then, one day we just told Chairman Sir about it. There he is, Chairman Sir, right in the center. And he just listened. He had no idea what all this Nach Gana was happening in school. But he said, okay, I will put this together. The next day he went and he just put the whole thing together in one go. We owe that entire delight to him, to our Chairman Sir, to our guiding light, to the backbone of this school, the one who's always there for us, never wants any credit, any recognition, nothing for himself, but he's the rock solid backbone of this entire team, this entire school. So, what he has been inspiring all of us to do, we cannot describe in words, but that's him. Silent and always there. So this entire journey, of course, has been a super learning journey for all of us, super growth for each and every one of us, and I think with that I'll just hand over.
Shall I just do a chant? Might as well. Huh? Might as well. Okay, let me close this. If there is any more instructions. Yeah.
I don't want to miss this out. Right now, when you see the mic in my hand, you're focused towards me, right? Yeah. Yes, no, maybe? Yes, okay. How difficult it is if you hear somebody from there, that corner and this corner. It will be difficult. Imagine a 3-year-old trying to focus on 4 facilitators doing 4 different things. That's BGY. And I'm told that it takes a lot of courage to dance inside the water. I myself have not done it. But yet, let's hear it for the swimming team. That was aquatic ballet, which was decorating the entire Sovan. And I will give it to Rahul Bhaiya after saying that, most of the facilitators, especially Ritesh Bhaiya, when he will see me inside the school, it's like, aapko dekh ke bahut chakkar aate hain.
Thank you so much, audience. And I think I haven't been to a show in a long time where I would start jumping. I would feel like. Did you all feel like this? Yeah. So maybe the finale should have included the audience as well. I was having this feeling. But, yeah.
Are we all ready? Yes. तुमने कितना अच्छा कमाल दिखाया.
चलिए खड़े हो जाइए सब लोग खड़े हो जाइए.
अंकित भैया कंसोल पे आ जाइए.